हेलो फ्रेंड, वेलकम टू सुमित गौर यूट्यूब चैनल। आज के पार्ट 4 में मैं आपको कस्टम ट्रक वन सोर्स, डेडालॉस एंड आर्ट गैलरी ऑफ बालाराट के बारे में बताऊंगा। उससे पहले आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, इस वीडियो को लाइक करें। तो वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। कस्टम ट्रक वन सोर्स। कस्टम ट्रक वन सोर्स, द लार्ज सिंगल सोर्स प्रोवाइडर ऑफ कमर्शियल ट्रक एंड इक्विपमेंट, द फर्स्ट टू सिंगल सोर्स प्रोवाइडर of trucks and heavy equipment solution. Custom Truck One Source website design impressed me with its seamless and user-friendly navigation, making exploring their extensive range of truck and heavy equipment solution easy. The website design uses a simple yet elegant color palette of white, black, and red with clean animation transition that add a modern touch. Moreover, the website provides detailed information about their product, including image. This allows customer to make informed decision. What I like, customers benefit from the convenience of having all their needs met in one place, eliminating our spend searching for the ride service. I also found that the website broke down each category and type out the informative extensively, so nothing could be missed. Daedalos. Daedalos is just Dustin Brad portfolio. He is an experienced web designer specializing in React-based website design, so I love that his portfolio showcases that in a strictly original way. This site combines stunning desktop environments, creating an interactive user experience. His attention to detail, his clean line, subtle typography, and calming color palettes give the user a unique visual appeal. What I like, Dustin Web design look great on all devices while providing seamless and responsive performance. Plus, I thought the added effect of feeling like you ended up on his laptop elevated the experience. Art Gallery of Ballarat. Art Gallery of Ballarat. Art Gallery of Ballarat. Art Gallery of Ballarat is laid out like a museum. There's lots of white space and tons of incredible images. Think of interactive experience with fluid page transitions, 3D images, animations, and videos. In my opinion, this helps to create an immersive user experience that can make a website stand out from its competition. What I like this site, a lesson in both simplicity and creativity, with twist and turn and a touch of the unexpected. It's really create in a thrilling experience for users. What seemed like a well-designed but simple site at first cannot give away to such much more. I think what sets the site apart thing is that its mountain part thin thought out each aspect of the website. So guys, आज की वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। मैं मिलता हूँ आपको अगली वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय।